Well, season's greetings to everyone. A great start to the market week, right on point with our strategies. I'd like to share with you the gift of simplicity that equals powerful signals and separates that from the noise. If you go back to October, where the market had a low, and you start taking a look at the tools on screen, we can see some speed lines here. Blue line is crossing above the magenta. And in the subchart, we've got a momentum crossover tool right at the bottom of this channel. Now, it's a powerful combo after sell signals have followed through and we've gotten through targets. Let's take a look at what happens next. If you get a very quick idea of the cyan dot underneath the candle as a buy signal with targets, as you can see, a target 1, a midline, and a target 2, price action with that powerful signal and that momentum crossover is very clearly rising up through the channel, breakout above the channel, high probability for continuation right over there, and a meet of that target 2. Now, momentum continued to rise, as we can see in the subchart, but it flattened out. Now, we're still in an uptrend. How do we know? We're in a rising channel state. So we're looking for buy signals to be the important signals and sell signals to be the ones that if price breaks above, they operate as an opportunity to actually buy in. Now, they happen back to back in this particular case. Positive momentum cross occurred. We're now at around November the 10th. And as you can see, once that signal was in, a target 1 prints on close of the bar, it's confirmed. Target 2 and a midline prints, and the efficacy of the signaling over here to avoid all the noise. Very, very clear, very, very powerful. We achieve that target 2, and then again, a similar type of situation has occurred, taking us into present day. Now you can tell that that momentum tool in the subchart got really, really stretched. And we're getting buy signals in a flattening out uptrend. It's not as steep as before, but certainly still an uptrend. And that positive momentum cross came very similar to what we were discussing back here. Now, we can continue to see from last week, Thursday, into the end of trade today, a continued rise in price and a target 1, and of course, midline and target 2. What's the potential for this market to get up to that 465.93? Well, when coming from underneath the bottom of the channel or from the center of the channel when we get a positive momentum cross, the odds are very high that we make it at minimum to the midline target and likely to the target 2. Where we are right now is coming from above the top of the channel. So I'm going to introduce you to where this market may be going by adding a couple of other time frames to couch the analysis here. So this is the SPY, and you can see on a weekly chart, we're at a buy signal state, happened at the center of the channel, but coming from above. Getting up to that target 1 is still a higher probability. Now that's on a weekly chart, and that could be a month to more away. When we take a look at the daily chart, which is weeks to a month in terms of where that could actually come to fruition, we note that the buy signal and the momentum crossover are coming late stage in the trend. So this is a continuation after a consolidation. Now, take that insight, take the insight off that 4-hour chart that projects out 3 to 5 days, and we know that we've got an open target 1 on the 4-hour chart, 465.93 pennies, couched in the powerful signals from a daily and a weekly, but they are coming late stage in a trend. So getting up to a target 1 overall on that 4-hour chart or slightly higher is still a higher probability, but it's likely short-lived. Now, if you like the simplicity and the power associated with one indication on screen, clear trending instructions, if you will, in terms of the channel, and of course, that compounding effect of that momentum crossover tool, there is so much more that I want to share with you on these incredible tools. We've got some powerful, straightforward strategies for you on a day trading basis, swing trading basis, to bring 2023 home strong and start 2024 on the right foot. There couldn't be a better time to have a toolkit and a set of strategies that give you an edge in this market, built on the backs of 32-time real money on-site international domestic trading champion Rob Hoffman. Now, I'm going to be very, very proud to be sharing these incredible strategies and how I use them in my trading in conjunction with other tools on their own discreetly, and how to scan for great opportunities. Join me this Wednesday, December the 13th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 7 a.m. Pacific Time. Get your seat now by going to becomeabettertrader.com/yes. It's a do not miss session for those that enjoy the power of simplicity and want to separate the signal from the noise. You just saw an incredibly powerful demonstration of this toolkit. The prints don't reprint, and the strategies, well, I've just scratched the surface. I'm looking so much forward to sharing this with you and giving out that gift of simplicity. And the power associated with it is incredible. Get your seat, becomeabettertrader.com/yes. Looking forward to seeing you there this Wednesday, December the 13th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. This is a do not miss session. It is not recorded. It's being done live. I'm taking time out to do this for you. I hope to see you there. Have a great rest of your day, and thank you for watching.